Hello, hello, hello mga friends! Welcome to my vlog! Hindi ako sanay. It's not me. Okay, mga friends ko voted na they wanted to see the 10-minute makeup challenge na ilagay ko sa isang poll before sa Instagram story ko. Ginawa ko na siyang 5 minutes. As promised, for those who follows me on Instagram, eto na ang 5-minute makeup challenge. This is gonna be the result. Before anything else, I am going to show you the things that we will be using for this makeup challenge. Let's have a quick look of the items that we're going to use. These are the brushes. This is for my kilay, for the eyeshadow. This is for the blush. This is for setting of the powder. The pang kilay. This is the only thing I use here. This brush, that tip. And these are the sponges. So nilinis ko siya kasi syempre magvi-video tayo. Hirap na itong ginagawa ko. This is my foundation, Celotex pressed powder. This is a Clinique there. That's the eyeshadow, and for the blush, that's what I use. My lip tint, but I don't use this for my lips. Instead, ba't nasira yung kuko ko? Nakakaloka. I have to have this done again. Okay. I don't use this for my lips. I use it for my cheeks instead. I think this is from Korea. And this is a Clinique mascara. These are concealers. I'm not sure which to use right now. I just put them here. This is a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. This is so good. And this one's the Face Shop. This comes with a brush. It's a little dry already. This makes things easier because it has that thing. And then this is a Shuimura. Maliit na siya, besh. Okay, napakaliit na niya dahil kilay is life. A friend gave it to me. Hi, Tammy. I love you. A lip gloss from Clinique as well. It's also a gift. This is from Face Shop. Okay. Most of these are actually gifts, so I'm not really sure how much they all cost. But next time, if I figured it out, I'm gonna tell you. So let's go with the makeup. Now that you've seen all of the products I use, let's start with the 5-minute makeup challenge. Okay, so ayan na siya. Voila! Ang aking face. Okay, so mag-explain ako. My face is not usually like this. Musulpot-sulpot lahat ng mga pimple ko. So, walang kasigurad... Ulitin natin. Walang certainty na matatapos ko to in 5 minutes. Ang dami kong kailangan takpan ng concealer. Unless, wala akong pakialam. Pag lalabas lang ako, pakialam natin. Okay, so first, hindi ko i-count to dun sa timer natin. Where's the time? Mga kaibigan! Gwen! Hiramin ko muna yung telepono niya kasi yung telepono ko, gamit ko ngayon pang video. Yung isang telepono kong luma, nandun, naka-pang flashlight dahil wala akong, you know, para-paraan mga friends. Borrow ako phone mo pang timer.
Timer na?
Timer ko, pang 5 minute, diba 5-minute challenge? Dali. Pakita ko. Okay, 5 minutes na, ganun. Dali, pahiram. Dalian mo, ano ba? Okay, so habang inaantay ko yung pinsan kong ibigay sa akin ng kanyang telepono dahil gagamitin ko pang timer dahil wala akong relo, I'm going to show you first yung before putting on the makeup. So, syempre, hindi ko i-count yung 5-minute challenge doon dahil makeup lang ang usapan natin, ha? Makeup lang. So, I'm gonna show you what I use. First, syempre, dapat malinis ang iyong fez. I use this Clinique toner. Hindi ko alam ba't number. Guys, hindi ko kasi alam ko ano dapat yung mga 1, 2, 3, ganyan. Mas nabigay sa akin ng auntie ko. Thanks, Auntie Marvy. Bigay niya lang. Gagamitin ko. Wala kayong magre-reklamo. Katapos niyan, sige, papakita ko sa inyo. Nandiyan na ba? I use this Club Clio for the toner. Actually, dapat bulak lang. Pero dahil video to, binuksan ko na siya. Mukha lang social yung mga gamit natin, you know. I just clean it up. Hindi ko alam kung ano dapat yung weight. Pa-circular, pa-akyat-akyat. Malay. Basta ako malinisan yung mga dumi-dumi sa aking fez, pwede na ako. Ang ingay ninyo! Ang ingay! Ang ingay ng mga pinsan ko! Gwen, sarado mo ang ingay ninyo. Have to make sure that your face is really clean. Baro. Okay lang, hayaan mo na. Hindi naman tayo professional na mock-up ano dito eh. Gago. Di ba ulo tinatawanan ako? Ano? Sneakerhead! Baro. Maya pa ako magsa-start. Hindi pa. Start pa lang ako. Ganun talaga, you know. We're not professional makeup artists.
Hi, vloggers!
Higher. Mamaya, ito, gagamitin natin. There, dahil wala akong relo. Actually, wala naman talaga akong lakad. Kasi nga, 7 days na kami dito baha. 7 days nang may bagyo. 7 days na kaming house arrest. So, therefore, I conclude that trip ko lang to dahil wala na akong magawa. Right?
At wala siyang boyfriend!
Wala. Salamat ah. Pakisara pinto! Beshi! Nagbablog ako. Sarado mo! Okay, so medyo natanggal na yung lahat ng libag sa mukha ko. Okay, next is, have to make sure that dries up. Ewan ko sa inyo, pero sabi na ginawa ko yun. Minsan, wala kasi akong primer. Hindi ako nagpa-primer. Ginagawa ko lang, either I use my Celotex Travel Thingy facial moisturizer or I use serum from Body Shop. This is just a freebie. Actually, nilipat-lipat ko lang talaga siya paminsan. Okay, I'm gonna use a facial moisturizer from Celotex. Oh, before pala nito, before I put on this, I actually put first medicine for my pimple marks. So I use this Terramycin. Hirap naman ng ganito. Ganito ba talaga yung ginagawa ninyo? Mga vloggers out there. Dito na ngayon yung moisturizer, pero I'm gonna put medicine first. Kaloka. Kinis-kinis kong tao. Ba't nagkaganyan? Okay, ang yabang. Makinis ako. Wala na nga love life. Ganito pa. After that, facial moisturizer. Okay, for those who have oily skin, I don't think it's good for you to use a facial moisturizer before you put on makeup. I think you have to use a certain primer. So I read an article about Dr. Vicky Bello saying that moisturizers doesn't really do good to your skin, but I figured depende pa rin because when I stopped using moisturizer because I read that, stop din ako and dyan din nag-umpisa. Siguro kasi nga my skin was too dry and it was too prone to others, I don't know. Nagmamagaling ka na naman. Ka naman talaga magulong Marian. Basta ganun. Sanay na yung mukha ninyo nag-moisturize. Tuloy nyo na lang. Huwag niya kayong iki-epal-epal dyan. Tapos, hindi pa na good sa skin. Ganyan. Okay, let us now start with the challenge. At ngayon, hindi ko na mabuksan yung aking... Gwen! Hindi ko mabuksan. Yung password. Wala naman akong password eh. Pakita ka dito. Dali, papakita ka dito. What? Sa mga vloggers, sa mga friends ko. Ganda-ganda ng pinsan ko! Bakit ang ganda-ganda? What?
Malansato.
Oo, sarado mo na yung pintuan. Kailangan nakafocus na. Challenge to. Support kayo. Like and subscribe. I think I'm ready for the 5-minute challenge. Are you ready?
Hindi ako ready.
Feeling ko hindi ito magiging successful kasi nga dami kong achichena sa Fez. Parang nakakakaba to. Parang feeling ko dapat manalo ko. Dapat competitive. Napaka-competitive. 5 minutes, I'm gonna put it on timer. Let us start. Okay. Hindi ko na kayo kailangan pag-explain. In-explain ko na sa inyo kanina yung mga makeup. Pati pa ako nag-uumpisa. Sabi nila, you have to make sure that your sponge is a little damp. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nag-explain sa inyo. So, dapat nakafocus ako sa time. 4 minutes na lang. O, diba? Ang tagal ko dito sa... concealer. Dami kasing pimple. Next, we'll go to the foundation. I use a Makeup Forever. Oh, nakakaloka this, mga friends! Kaya, mamaya ako na isa-set yun. Pupunta muna ako sa kilay. Kilay is life. Ito natin yung matagal. So, actually guys, ang technique here is that for you to make sure that your kilay is not sabog-sabog para mas mabilis siyang asikasuhin araw-araw. Okay, so I think baka pwede sabihin niyo na dali-dali na niya gawin sa'yo kasi may kilay ka na. Totoo yun. Pero, hindi naman perfect ang kilay ko, okay? So, challenge pa rin yan sa akin. I don't have to make my kilay on fleek. Wala namang mapakakapansin yan.
Use this brush just to brush out all of the color. And sometimes I also use this one just to make sure na tama yung pagkaka-blend ng mga bagay-bagay dyan sa bushy kilay ko.
Okay. Wala, hindi perfect. Pero okay lang kasi nakaka-perfect yung oras.
And then, now it's time for some color.
1 minute and 30 seconds! Oh my god!
Okay, so I just use this. Something that would just, you know, put color on my eyelids kasi ayoko na magmukha lang akong ewan, dahil morena ako.
Next would be this. 1 minute na lang mga besh. I don't think I can make it, I swear.
I really don't think I can make it. So I curl it up first before I put on the mascara.
I'm gonna put on first my blush. I'm almost done.
And you just brush it up. Ah!
O, diba? Hindi lang siya pang lip tint. I swear, it's so much better when it's put on your cheeks. Because it's... And then you just put on there to make it contour feeling. Right there, over there. Ah, 30 seconds!
Okay, so first I'm gonna do the lip gloss.
Para may color na yung lips ko. Ah! Nakakaloka to! Ah! Oh my gosh, 18 seconds. I can't make it, I swear. Wala. Okay, magsaset na ako ng face. 10 seconds. Magsaset ako ng face. Magsaset ako ng face. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Woo! Okay, let's go. I use this one. What can you see? 5 minutes. Nakakaloka. Nag-fail ako, mga kaibigan. Okay, so, kamusta? O, diba? Pwede na yan. Hindi nga lang natakpan na mabuti yung mga blemishes ko. Kasi naman, nakaka-pressure. Ba naman? Hindi ko alam ba't ko ginawa itong makeup challenge. Ito, kala mo kasi kung sino kang magaling, Mariel. Actually, papasa na siya. Papasa na yung ginawa ko. Kakambihan ko sarili ko dito. Vlog ko naman to eh. Okay, so hi. Kamusta ka na dyan? Mga kaibigan. So, tapos kayo 5-minute challenge. Kaya lang, one thing I did... Hindi pa, wait lang, Beshi. Tapos na ako sa phone mo. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. One thing I wasn't able to do with 5-minute makeup challenge is to put on mascara. Actually, hindi mo naman na kailangan ng mascara. Anyway, since medyo nag-fail yung... Hindi medyo, nag-fail talaga. Nag-fail yung 5-minute makeup challenge ko with this mascara, which actually hindi naman talaga kailangan whenever you want to go out. I'll just show you how I usually do it. Aray ko, naipit tuloy ako. Mga sinasabi ko, hindi naman talaga ako magaling sa mga ganito. Ba't kasi ginagawa ko ito? Layan ko na ng mascara. So what I do is, para ma-achieve ko yung napakagandang pilik mata. O, kita nyo? Maganda na eh. Ganyan lang maganda na eh. Oo. Ba't ko ito ginagawa? Natatawa ako. Okay, so ganito siya.
What I do is, I usually... Dito ba dapat? Paano ba ginagawa ng mga... Okay, this one.
Nagugutom na ako. What's for dinner, friends?
I start from the bottom, of course. And then I kinda, like, ganyan. Tapos, whoo! Para magmukha siyang mahaba. Okay.
Ooh! Sakit!
Narinig niyo ba yung ulan? Ang ganda, no? Parang sarap matulog.
Actually, after nito matutulog na ako. Ganito ko matulog. Hindi ba alam? No, simple. Simple lang. Ayan. Kanina ko pa natutusok yung mata ko. Masyado ako nape-pressure sa inyo. Ang sakit. Sakit talaga. Eh, normally, hindi ko naman natutusok yung mata ko. Pero hindi ko alam ba't nape-pressure ako sa inyo. Okay, yung mga kamag-anak. Uy, kasal ka na. Kailan kayo kakasal? Wala! Hindi pa mangyayari yun! Wala eh. Wala naniligaw. So, anyway. Okay, so that's about it. Ang pangit, ang dami kong pimple. Pasensya na mga kaibigan na, pero kailangan ko lang gawin to kasi bored na rin ako. So I therefore conclude that. Tapos na ang vlog na to. Voila. There you have it. A 5-minute makeup challenge. If you're in a hurry or something like that, you can do this one as well. Na-disappoint ako sa sarili ko. First time ko nang gawin to. Na-fail pa. Pero okay lang. Sometimes you have to fail. Kailangan mo mag-commit ng mistake before you can actually do it right. There you have it. A 5-minute makeup challenge. Actually, it's not so fail. Hindi ko na naman nagawa is yung mascara. And natagalan lang ako dun sa part ng paglagay ng concealer. Pero usually, ang nilalagyan ko lang ng concealer is under my eyes and then some pimple marks. Pero ngayon, parang umuulan ng pimple yung mukha ko. Anyway. Okay, so there you have it. This is the 5-minute makeup challenge. I hope you liked the video. So please do like and subscribe. If this is your first time to visit my channel, I hope you give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you!